what's up? This afternoon, I'm gonna be trying a spot that I normally try in the morning, but we're gonna try it in the afternoon, see what we can get out of there. Also, tomorrow morning, I'm going trout fishing with Pops, but we're going to a different spot as well than we would normally trout fish. So hopefully we can pull something out of there too. We will see when we get there. What's up? We're here. Getting the crawlers out there. Let's do it. Got some company. It's perch. Where's your big cousin? Another little perch, I bet. They're getting bigger. They're getting bigger. There's one. Oh, that ain't a bad one. Oh, shit.
I like that. Look, you see how I look on the side?
Right there, yeah.
The other side.
Oh, looks like a wound. He was bleeding a little bit. But...
Right.
Oh, yeah. We got something good here. It's fighting like a sucker. I switched spots. Different rivers because I was just catching perch at the other place. This ain't a bad fish. It's a nice sucker, I think. It is a nice sucker. A nice sucker. Yeah, baby. This is my biggest sucker that I've caught this year so far. Definitely the biggest one. Got me a nice sucker. Biggest sucker of the year so far. He's fat. Maybe a few pounds. Switch spots to a new spot. We will take that all day. Nice. Oh, I do have something. It's a goby. I was like, I thought that bounced. Whoa. Got something. I just moved down from yesterday. I was under the bridge. Ooh, didn't like that. It's a sucker. Oh no, it's a smallie. Dang. It's a good fighting smallie. That's not what I was expecting. Nice little smallie guy. On a crawler, just still fishing. Cool beans, dude. It's a little white bass. There he is. Tried to take my pole. Oh yeah. We got something good. Feels like a catfish. It's not great, but it's not terrible. What are you? Sucker. I was kind of wondering where they were gonna be. There they are. That's a pretty good one. All right, that's a nice one. He's long. We got a good sucker. He's a long boy. Nice. We'll take that all day. Let's go. Yes. Someone's hunting duck, I think. Scared the piss out of me. Oh, no way. Oh. He's not shooting at those ones, but I got whatever it is. It's small. White bass. Another white bass. Oh yeah. What are you? Smallie? They're a little white bass. White bass. Might be tied for my biggest white bass today. He's the fattest. Let's go. We were about to head out too. This won't be the last place I have been, because this video started out fishing on the Saginaw, caught some perch, and then I came here yesterday, caught a nice sucker, one of my biggest of the year, and then came here today too, and also caught a really nice sucker, a ton of white bass, a nice smallie, and this morning I went to with Pops trout fishing. He caught two. I got skunked, so there'll be some trout footage of him. Pops is back and at it. Out fishing. See you there.
What's up?
It's the next day after that sucker event. Bunch of perch, sucker, but now it's off to trout fish in a new spot. So hopefully they're in there. I guess we're gonna find out. Pops is backing at him. See you there.
What's up? Oh, there we go.
It's a nice rainbow.
He's over a foot. Whoa, he's on.
Nice, yeah.
A good one. He hit hard.
From the back.
Super hard.
Little brown missed the fight.
He hit it hard. Both of them hit it hard. I just wish there was more of them in here.
Pops caught a couple. He caught a nice rainbow. I got skunked out here. But yeah, we're out of here. Also on this video, I have the Little Mac. My dad did some research. It's like a hiking trail up where we were trout fishing today. It's like a little Mackinac Bridge, so I think I'm gonna close the video out with that. So hopefully you enjoyed that footage. Till next time.